Hey guys, at some point, you've just gotta fucking stop. I fell into the abyss and I just kept going with this one because I wasn't given a deadline. Now, I can't say I didn't have fun. I had a lot of fun. And thank you, Corsair, for allowing me to do what I wanted to do with the Corsair 5000T. It's a cool case. The theme of this PC is inspired by John Gerard, aka Moebius, who's a very talented science fiction illustrator. And in particular, it was his illustrations for Jodorowsky's The INCAL graphic novel series. Eat an edible and dive into that. The INCAL, or the Black INCAL. And Taika Waititi is supposed to do a movie version of the story, but that could mean that it's either going to be shit or epic. I don't know. The PC features an embedded 7-inch LCD screen in the back, tilting GPU mount, and a working cassette player because it falls into the retro cassette futurism theme. And I'll post the specs for the system in the video description. It's all good stuff. This is getting shipped to Corsair's new headquarters for their lobby, I assume. Maybe I should put my name on it, or just leave it anonymous so the public think that Corsair sends their cases to insane asylums for makeovers. Patients in padded cells. Oh, I've been getting a ton of people asking how I did the color PCB circuit boards on the inside and out. That's awesome to hear because I thought everybody was just doing RGB fish aquariums, but turns out there's people that still love modding cases. That's awesome. I'll feature the video guide link at the end of this video. The response has me debating if I should share my next build in segments on my channel or not. It's one of my all-time bucket list builds. Let me know. I'm excited to get it started.